Hello, I'm Milash Levinsky and this is Military Mind. Armed conflicts, defense and security, land, sea and air, we've got you covered. Now, in a series of airstrikes on Monday, Russia targeted multiple cities in Ukraine, including Kirovohrad, Cherkasy, Dnipropetrovsk, Donetsk, Kherson and the Kharkiv region. According to reports from Kharkiv authorities, 2 people were killed in the aftermath of the attack. In addition, overnight, 9 Russian drones were launched from Crimean territory, but the Ukrainian Air Force successfully intercepted and downed all of them. Meanwhile, the Security Service of Ukraine conducted a strike in the Bryansk region, targeting a radar station that controlled airspace extending 700 kilometers deep into Ukrainian territory, enabling Russian forces to detect Ukrainian weaponry and support bomber operations aimed at Ukrainian border defenses. Moreover, the Ukrainian military said that Russian forces had launched 16 missile attacks, 31 airstrikes and 79 multiple launch rocket system attacks on Ukrainian positions in the past 24 hours. In the Liman, Avdiivka and Bakhmut areas, Ukrainian forces repelled a total of 56 attacks in the past day. Moving on now to the Middle East. Overnight in the West Bank, 2 Palestinians were reported killed, according to a local mayor, after some 50 settlers allegedly attacked residents of Khirbet al-Tawil village in the Nablus province. Earlier on, the IDF confirmed the death of a 17-year-old during a raid in Nablus. Meanwhile, Israeli officials have underscored the necessity of a response to the recent Iranian drone and missile attack, but have refrained from specifying the methods or the timing. Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant told the US that Israel feels compelled to react to the Iranian attack, saying they have no choice in the matter. In addition, an unnamed Israeli official said that a potential Israeli response may be forthcoming, with coordination expected between Israel and the United States following an Israeli War Cabinet meeting. In response, Iranian President Raisi issued a stern warning, cautioning that any action deemed detrimental to Iran's interests would result in a severe and extensive answer. During a call with Qatar's Emir Al Thani, the president justified Iran's recent attack on Israel as an act of legitimate defense. Now, coming up is some GoPro footage captured in February 2024 in the Avdiivka area, showing the fire support platoon from the 3rd Assault Company in action. And it's time for a quote. "Here we are, and there are the jerks." This is what one of the defenders in the clip showing the daily grind of the 3rd Assault Brigade has said. The battle rages on, but the Ukrainians are not giving up.
Тут наші типи. Тут наші типи. А от там же підараси. Найважчий накат на...
And now it's time for a bit of Russian acrobatics captured by a Ukrainian drone purchased thanks to a crowdfunding campaign. As a Russian vehicle was spotted and began evasive maneuvers to escape a strike, it accidentally stumbled upon a minefield. Despite the loss of the FPV drone that captured the footage, the mission was written off as a success. Thanks to more community funding efforts, the Shadow Drone Warfare Unit will quickly replace the lost hardware. Or you could say that this is, active defense. The explosion eliminated an enemy drone after all. Anyway, moving on. Get ready for some epic aerial showdown now. This clip coming up will take you straight into the heart of the action, as a Russian FPV drone attempts to chase down a Ukrainian Mi-24 helicopter. But this isn't your average dogfight, you see. This time, the Ukrainians pull out all the stops and jam the pesky UAV using electronic countermeasures. And now it's time for a tribute to the memory of Senpai, a fallen Ukrainian defender, put together by his fellow soldiers from the 48th Separate Assault Battalion. The clip also features an attempt to evacuate the crew of a Ukrainian Mi-24 helicopter shot down near Kozinka. It's bravery, sacrifice and sheer guts from the Ukrainian defenders. Take a look and don't skip this emotional ride.
Да, ебать его в рот тянули, блядь. Да-да, все похуй. Да нахуй! О, бачите, ноги говорю. О, ну нахуй, тип ходить, ебаш, острый, ебаш. Давай, нахуй, давай, зараз дыши, зрівше тіло в руки, блядь. Эхо війни, эхо війни, блядь. Війна нас поміняла. Я старий такий дурдов, що пизда. Дивись, цинкуйся. Давай я цинкую, братан, конечно, ты шо? Ты их, блядь, чувствуешь, поехал вперед. Вот через це. Остається. Вот це. Хай делай получится. Хай на правду вривається, блядь. Я ебу. Я упал, представляю, блядь. Все пизда. Ну, пришло. Я сейчас не нормально. Наші командирі. Зараз хлопці через 300 метрів знімусь на ПДС, бо вона була не розмінована. Чуєш, друже, де у вас поранені взагалі підкладені? От вишки? Так. Сюди. Зараз лежись. Воно говорить, а воно живе. Ти стріляли до кубатура, помагали, так нам блядь, ёбаный в рот, нахуй, сука, блядь. Давайте сюда, пацаны. мероприятия. Тамада был на высшем уровне, конкурсы были очень интересные, много таких всяких движений. Вот такая вот жизнь, пацаны.
And with this dramatic footage, we end this edition of Military Mind. Please stay with us here on TVP World for more latest news and updates.